For over 10 years, we've been doing this day in, day out. Taking brands from concept to delivery. With over 4.5 million units delivered to 4,000 plus stores across the US and 45 plus happy brands and counting, we truly believe that we are the leading apparel design and manufacture company. When we step in and partner with a brand, we're truly focused on their success. As the brand develops, as a brand grows, as they open into new territories, we're able to grow with that brand. Our three-step process is very simple, and it takes the brand from concept to delivery. Product design, product development, production and delivery. We believe that truly unique product and truly unique, beautiful design, that coupled with our kind of three-step process gives the brand the best opportunity to be successful. We have a full design, production and quality control team in each of our production territories. The true value proposition is that we are focused on the detail. We're focused on taking your brand to the next level and finding out what that is and making sure that it gets done. We believe that success is the sum of details, and we take that forward into everything that we do.